I think first what we really are seeing is this enormous explosion in innovation in the devices and the products that are the core infrastructure for telehealth. And I think that success continues to be that those products are made even better, that they do their functions even better, that they are bringing better quality into care, and that they're taking costs out of the care because of the way that they work. Secondly, I think, and equally important, is the way that those devices and services are integrated. That what we are seeing now are people packaging and combining interventions in ways that were almost unthought of. It's just a couple of years ago. The capacity to use data and information, to be able to use infrastructure computing platforms, to be able to bring things together, and those synergies is extraordinary. Third is, what we're seeing is new kinds of really exciting partnerships between the delivery system and the entrepreneurs, so that there is this embracing of the services and the capabilities, an embracing of the integration opportunities, but now the delivery system itself is taking those and applying its own genius to it as they provide better quality, more cost-effective, and more satisfactory patient care. So all of those things, I think, are really important, and what we are now beginning through this convention, and everyone is starting to experience it almost as if it was something tangible that you could touch, is the sense that telehealth is no longer on the margins. It is center core. That's one of the major forces driving the modernization of the American delivery system. So we're in a revolution. I think what's important for this year, in addition to those capabilities, is to be able then to harness this extraordinary armamentarium and this momentum in very disciplined ways, so that we are able to not only produce value, but that we're able to demonstrate and prove value to all stakeholders. Because at the end of the day, innovation for innovation's sake is meaningless. It has got to lead to something that is important. And I think we're very much along the path now of being able to not only have appropriate clinical guidance being developed. We're making great strides. We have a long way to go, but we're doing great in that regard. And then making great strides in being able to assess the quality of what's being delivered. And that's going to be the other agenda item for this year, which I think is important, which finally leads us to one of the preeminent issues for us going forward is going to be research. We are going to need to have a robust research base, and having the mainstream of America's health researchers to start to pay attention to what we're doing in telehealth. We can't do it on our own at ATA. We've got to make the case that the rest of America's research enterprise needs to be involved with us. And guess what? We're making progress there too.